we on? Hello homebrewers and welcome! So, it is the part 2 to the lavender mead that we started a couple of months ago. Now, as you can see, it is not clear. Usually it goes clear, but for some reason, when we added in the lavender, it's formed this lovely sort of golden shimmer to the mead. And I'm not complaining, but it did throw me off a bit. So if you are making this lovely mead, just be aware that it doesn't go clear. So you've got to test it with a hydrometer, and when you get the same reading for about 3 or 4 days, you know it's good to go. Now I have had the lid sealed on here for the last few weeks, just to see if it was building up any pressure, and then periodically I'd open it up. And there hasn't really been any gas produced. Very small amount considering the yeast is in there, but who knows? It could be the fact that the lavender has an oil content when it's fermented, it makes it soluble-ish, and this is lovely oils from the lavender. Or it could be it has starch in there. I don't know. Something that I'm going to have to play around with at a later date. But we're going to be bottling this up today, and we're going to try it because, well, it's mead. So I've put my hydrometer in already, and it is reading 1.010. So it is sweet, and it's been that way for the last few days. No change whatsoever. So it is perfectly good to bottle up now, which I'm looking forward to. And because it is slightly sweeter, it means it's good to drink right away, which is always a good thing. So I've gone ahead and I've sterilized everything I'm going to be using. So my bottles, and my worktop, my siphon, the funnel, and my peg, because I'm cool. So I forgot to say, because it is 1.010, that gives us an actual alcohol percentage of around 7.5. So not the strongest in the world, considering it could have been the maximum of 11. But still, because it's slightly sweeter, means we can drink it now, and it should be really good, which I really want to find out. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and bottle these bad boys up. Yep, doesn't smell of bleach, because I use bleach and washing up liquid. So let us make a siphon. In it goes. And the cheeky peg. Oh yeah. Good enough. So I'm going to go and siphon these bottles out, and I'll see you once I'm done. So we have got our 1 gallon of mead, which I've bottled up. Now you will have noticed I didn't degas it. That's because I'm not going to be adding any sulfates or anything like that. I don't really like adding preservatives when I don't have to. So I'm leaving the little bit of excess gas that's in here. The act of siphoning does sort of degas it slightly, but you will need to either give it a shake, like so, and then you can get the gas out that way, or you can just pour it into a glass and give it a swirl, and that will remove the excess gas. But the bit that we want to know, what does this taste like? It's like, It has honey, but not overpoweringly honey, and then it has a slight aroma of lavender. It smells pretty good. There's only one way to find out. Let's give it a try. Okay, that's not bad. So it's not overpoweringly honey flavored, but it has a nice sort of honey flavor. Give it a swirl just to make sure it's all degassed. You can smell lavender, but again, it's not overpowering. It's not just like eating a lavender bush. So, cheers. That's not bad. So without needing to add any extra sugars to it, it's actually very pleasant. You've got a honey flavor on the tip of your tongue, and then as you swirl it back, you get lavender, but not overpowering lavender. You get a little bit of bitterness from the lavender, as you would expect. And then sweetness. It is very complex. That is a good word that I'm going to use for it. But it's actually really tasty. It's got a little bit of heat from the alcohol, even though it is only 7.5%, but still, a couple of glasses of this, you'd be on your way. That's good. I actually really like that. So I didn't really want to go excessively lavender, over the top lavender, because you can colour the mead using lavender. I was talking with someone about that when I did the first part of the video, but I just wanted hints of lavender. I don't want it to taste like a bar of soap. And I think I've achieved that. It's pretty damn good. So we're gonna have to come back and do some more of this and go excessive. I mean, maybe like an ounce of lavender tips to see what it's like. I don't know. So put your comments down in the thing, the comment section below, that thing down there, if you want me to do a stupidly strong version of this, because it would be I think it would be quite novel to find out, but I'll see what you guys think. But all in all, it's actually really nice, a bit different, and something I didn't know, so I found out something new. Lavender mead doesn't clear, so, which is good. I like finding out new things. So I really hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to check out some of the other ones and subscribe if you feel like it. And carry on homebrewing, guys. Cheers. So I just want to take a second to thank my patrons. They're helping me grow the channel, upgrade my equipment, all of that fantastic stuff. And as a thank you to them and for future patrons, I also do 4 Patreon-only videos per month. So it's pretty handy if you want a little bit extra. So there's some other links to videos down below, and of course the Patreon and subscribe button. Don't forget to check those out. See ya.